it. Number 4 is Epson EcoTank ET-2720 SuperTank Printer. The Epson EcoTank ET-2720 wireless color all-in-one SuperTank printer is ideal for families seeking a fast, affordable, easy-to-use printer. With up to 90% savings on replacement ink bottles compared to traditional ink cartridges, the ET-2720 can print up to 4,500 pages of black/7/500 color, equivalent to about 90 individual ink cartridges. The printer is designed to offer stress-free printing with up to 2 years of ink in the box, ensuring fewer out-of-ink frustrations. Additionally, using an EcoTank printer can help reduce the amount of cartridge waste ending up in landfills, making it an eco-friendly choice. The EcoTank ET-2720 offers impressive print quality, producing sharp text, impressive color photos, and graphics on virtually any paper type using its unique Micro Piezo Heat-Free Technology. The printer also features a high-resolution flatbed scanner, a color display for easy document copying and navigation, wireless and voice-activated printing, and connectivity to smart devices with the intuitive Epson Smart Panel app. It is also an excellent option for sublimation printing on hard goods, providing a reliable and efficient printing solution for your needs. If you want to buy this printer right now, then check out the link given in